Lucas is having his portrait taken by Mommy and Nana. Say hi. He's 3 weeks old. Almost a month old. Almost. On November the 2nd. That's a big boy. And he's happy right now. Happy. Alright. Alright. That's a good boy. Good boy.